The Snatch Grip Barbell RDL is a variation of the traditional barbell RDL in which the grip is going to be set much wider. Okay? That is going to require significantly more upper back and core control compared to the traditional barbell RDL. When you set up your grip, simple way of looking at it is you're going to go as wide as you can with your hands while still being able to maintain a full grip on the bar. You want all fingers being able to wrap around. If you're looking at the lines on your bar, your fingers should be set outside of what are called the power lines, which is like the first lines, and you're probably going to be gripping somewhere on those second set of lines if your bar hasn't. Now when we get positioned, the first way to get into it is simply go with the traditional grip. Grabbing the bar nice and wide, putting a strong grip on it. Locking those lats down engaged, perform that full deadlift to the top, and then perform an RDL like you would in any other position. You'll see my wider grip is going to be much harder to control compared to the closer grip previous. That also means your grip is probably going to be the limiting factor here. So you have two options. One is you're welcome to grab straps and incorporate them when you've gotten to the point where you've worked up to some heavy weights and your grip's really the limiting factor. However, if you're tough enough, you're going to do what's really called a snatch grip. This is what's used when performing snatches in Olympic lifting. It sucks, but if you practice it, you can get really strong with it and relatively comfortable. When gripping the bar, I'm going to show, your hands will be palm down, but I'm going to show palm up just so you can see my hand. You're going to wrap your hand around the bar, and your thumb is going to fold in along the bar, and then your index finger and middle finger, depending on what your hands look like, are going to wrap on top of it. That is going to create that closed seal of your top fingers wrapping around your thumb to create what these straps do for you and create a grip that is fully circular around the bar instead of a regular grip where you have that thumb creating the weak point on that side. It sucks, it'll beat your thumb up, and it'll be rough, but if you practice with lighter weights, you'll develop a little bit more strength and comfort, so as you get to those stronger weights, heavier weights, it won't be too bad. Okay? Something to give a whirl. Having the palms down is a great position for the shoulders from a comfort perspective, so this grip can also be used in previous deadlift variations as well for a little greater grip strength and allow you to push the weights a little higher. Give it a shot.